Question number 1 is define the term fauna. Answer to question number 1 is fauna refers to the animal life found in a particular region or habitat. Question number 2 is what are sacred groves? Answer to question number 2 is sacred groves are patches of forest or natural vegetation traditionally protected by local communities due to their cultural and religious significance. Question number 3 is mention 2 benefits of conserving biodiversity. Answer to question number 3 is the benefits of conserving biodiversity are the maintenance of ecological balance and the provision of resources for medicine, agriculture and industry. Question number 4 is what is the importance of wildlife corridors? Answer to question number 4 is wildlife corridors are crucial for providing safe passage for animals between fragmented habitats, promoting genetic diversity and reducing human-wildlife conflict. Question number 5 is what is meant by biome? Answer to question number 5 is a biome is a large geographic area characterized by its distinct climate, soil, flora and fauna. Question number 6 is explain the term natural vegetation. Answer to question number 6 is natural vegetation refers to plant life that grows naturally in a region without human intervention. Question number 7 is what is meant by in situ conservation? Answer to question number 7 is in situ conservation is the protection of species in their natural habitats through the establishment of protected areas like national parks and sanctuaries. Question number 8 is what is ex situ conservation? Answer to question number 8 is ex situ conservation involves protecting species by removing part of the population from a threatened habitat and placing it in a new location such as zoos or botanical gardens. Question number 9 is name 2 types of forests found in India. Answer to question number 9 is 2 types of forests found in India are tropical rainforest and deciduous forests. Question number 10 is what is the main aim of Project Tiger? Answer to question number 10 is the main aim of Project Tiger is to ensure a viable population of Bengal tigers in their natural habitats and protect them from extinction. Question number 11 is what are mangroves? Answer to question number 11 is mangroves are coastal forests found in tropical and subtropical regions characterized by salt-tolerant trees and shrubs that thrive in intertidal zones. Question number 12 is how does soil erosion affect forests? Answer to question number 12 is soil erosion affects forests by degrading the quality of soil, reducing its fertility and leading to loss of vegetation cover. Question number 13 is what is Van Mahotsav? Answer to question number 13 is Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India celebrated to raise awareness about the importance of forests and encourage afforestation. Question number 14 is what is the significance of wetlands in biodiversity conservation? Answer to question number 14 is wetlands are significant for biodiversity conservation as they provide habitat for a wide variety of species, support water purification and act as buffers against floods. Question number 15 is name 2 international agreements focused on biodiversity conservation. Answer to question number 15 is 2 international agreements focused on biodiversity conservation are the Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD) and the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands. Question number 16 is what is a keystone species? Answer to question number 16 is a keystone species is one that plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure of the ecosystem, influencing the types and numbers of other species in the community. Question number 17 is explain the concept of sustainable forestry. Answer to question number 17 is sustainable forestry involves managing forest resources to meet current needs while ensuring that they are available for future generations, maintaining ecological balance. Question number 18 is what is meant by forest degradation? Answer to question number 18 is forest degradation refers to the deterioration of forest health and productivity due to factors such as pollution, climate change, and unsustainable practices. Question number 19 is how does urbanization affect wildlife habitats? Answer to question number 19 is urbanization affects wildlife habitats by leading to habitat fragmentation, pollution, and loss of green spaces, making it difficult for wildlife to survive. Question number 20 is what role do indigenous communities play in forest conservation? Answer to question number 20 is indigenous communities play a crucial role in forest conservation through their traditional knowledge, sustainable practices, and cultural values that promote environmental stewardship. Question number 21 is what is a carbon sink? Answer to question number 21 is a carbon sink is a natural or artificial reservoir that absorbs and stores carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, such as forests and oceans. Question number 22 is define the term wildlife corridor. Answer to question number 22 is a wildlife corridor is a strip of natural habitat that connects two or more larger areas of similar wildlife habitat, allowing animals to move freely between them. Question number 23 is what is the importance of Red Data Book? Answer to question number 23 is the Red Data Book is important as it lists endangered and threatened species, providing critical information for conservation planning and action. Question number 24 is what are the effects of climate change on forests? Answer to question number 24 is climate change affects forests by altering temperature and precipitation patterns, increasing the frequency of wildfires and causing shifts in species distribution. Question number 25 is mention any 2 steps taken by the government to protect wildlife. Answer to question number 25 is 2 steps taken by the government to protect wildlife are the establishment of protected areas like National Park and the implementation of the laws such as the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.